Hello dear friend, I want to show you how to install a virtual device for Android Studio. No matter what your operating system is, Mac or Windows, everything happens the same. Applications need to be tested. You can connect an Android emulator. Or connect your real phone and test the app on your phone. Choose a method convenient for you. But keep in mind that the virtual device can cause the computer to overheat and lag, so a more optimized way to use a real device. Now we will look at how to connect a virtual Android. For a real device you need to set up your phone and put debugging on USB. We have a choice of different virtual phones, all differ in diagonal and screen extension. It is better to choose a medium-sized phone. Now we need to download the Android version. So our virtual device has been created. Let's test it now. The first launch, as always, is the longest.